Hi guys, so this is a software review on Flowol, on the program called Flowol. In my video I have the demo version for Flowol 3, so if you do have Flowol 4, it is not to date. Now Flowol 4, or Flowol in general, as a program, it allows the user to create a program or mimic, in this case a big wheel, using flowcharts. So in the program I've created, it does simple tasks. For example, when button 1 is on, which is this button right over here, it turns on the wheel. It turns on all the lights for the wheel and makes the wheel spin. When it's off, it switches it off. So this is the simple program that I've created using this program. And similarly, there's also other boxes that you can use. For example, this box, which is the process symbol, this allows you to delay and use subtasks and also let. And so the basic tools in Flowol is essentially the tools on the left. So very simple tools. There's the erase, the start and stop symbol. There's the output, the process, the decision. You can add labels, and there's also editing, lines, and of course your basic play and stop. Similarly, more basic tools are of course seen on the top. You can open programs, create a new program, save, print, and you can also open a mimic. Now, similarly, as you can see, there is this more complicated um, way to use the program, in which you can use this graph. Now, this graph basically allows you to record certain characteristics of your program. So you can pick what it should record over time. For example, it can record a certain button, and etc. etc. If, for example, you were trying to mimic a traffic light or several traffic lights, you could use this to space the time apart and allow you to time it correctly. So this program is even more advanced uses for this program, rather than simply mimicking this big wheel. And this program also allows you to convert to an actual more interfaces. For example, there's an interface that's provided by Flowol, in which you can more or less download the flowchart into the product, and allows you to control the product. Moreover, there's also other interfaces that you can use Flowol to program and control. Now, the positive uses of this program is that it is really simple. You can't really get lost in the interface. You know exactly how to use it. You have and because it goes down straight to the core of flowcharts, there's not a lot of boxes that allows you to use. And this allows you to create very simple programs and simple concepts. However, this also brings disadvantages. For example, there are other tasks, other processes not available in this program, which means that you can't, for example, test your entire ability of flowcharts. And moreover, it's very limited into what you can use this program for. Usually this program is used to simply teach how to use flowcharts, rather than to actually use it for something more complicated. And finally, to end it off, it is very easy to conceptualize and form programs with this, which makes it very good. And of course, and then finally, one final drawback is that this program is paid, which also prevented me from downloading the program, showing a proper review. Okay, so thank you for listening, and that is my Flowol review.